The big question remains, will the peace hold, or does ISIS kind of disperse and then regroup?
Yeah, this is a big question. We've seen some pretty abusive things from the Iraqi security forces over the last many years. But I will say that when they took Mosul back, they were particularly well behaved. They were professional, they were effective. And our hope is that going forward that continues in West Mosul as well, because that will create an important trust between the authorities and the people. It will help to push ISIS out and stem potential recruitment. This type of protection from security forces as well as offensive operations is really important.
What are you expecting out of the presidential review of the ISIS strategy?
You know, it's really hard to tell. We expect the Pentagon to send a draft over the White House today or tomorrow. We know that there will be a number of options, likely for more aggressive operations. There will be an inclusion of unintended consequences with each option, and it's going to be up to the president to choose. Our concern is that part of the more aggressive options will include expanded rules of engagement.
And explain what that means and how that might play out on the ground.
Yeah, you know, it's not entirely clear how much more they could be expanded, because they already actually were expanded under the last president. Our concern is that if they're expanded too much, civilians will be caught in harm's way. Civilians could become targets. You could lose intelligence sharing from local communities because they're suddenly more afraid of the security forces than they have been. It could mean non-military targets like schools or homes become military targets by the air support. So it could be a much more difficult environment for civilians to feel protected and to feel safe.
What is the alternative, though, if the administration sees ISIS as an existential threat, which they have talked about the threat in these terms? And so if President Trump is adamant about wiping ISIS off the face of the earth, then there will be costs.
There will certainly be costs.